In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide apps on iPhone running on iOS 18. So if your iPhone is using iOS 18, this video is going to walk you through on how you can easily unhide application. So if you are feeding some application and you couldn't find out what application is hidden on your phone, you can easily unhide it using techniques I'm going to show it to you in this video. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to unhide apps on your iPhone running on iOS 18 is go to the app library. So on the app library page, just scroll down and you'll see hidden button. Then click on hidden. Then confirm with your Face ID. And once you confirm with your Face ID, the application will be visible. Now to unhide the application, all you need to do is press and hold the application like this. Then select don't require Face ID. Then confirm your Face ID again. The application will be removed from the hidden folder. Then go back to your home screen. This might take a couple of seconds before the application will appear on your home screen. Then after a while, you can go ahead and search for the application, which is the WhatsApp application. You can see the WhatsApp application is not visible. Then to not bring it back to the home screen, all you need to do is come to the app library. Like this, locate the WhatsApp application, press and hold, then drag out to add it to your home screen. That's it. So this is how you can easily unhide app on iPhone running on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.